look, I have you covered. I have all of the must-have items that you need right now in your natural hair stash, so keep watching and take notes. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 20 must-have natural hair tools and accessories, and I have it on my notes app, everything written down, so I will just stay in order. But I'm going to start off with the styling tools first. And the first thing that I have is a Rattail comb. No particular order here on my list, but I love Rattail combs because I really suck at parting. So comment down below if you guys suck at parting your hair, and for some reason I can never do it with like a wide tooth comb, so I always have to have a Rattail comb in my stash. Like, it's a necessity, especially when I do my middle parts, my side parts, or the little C-curve side parts. It just makes it a lot easier, especially the Rattail comb that comes with like that metal handle. I love those. Okay, so you need that in your stash. And then the next thing you need is a dimming brush or just a detangling brush. So I actually have my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I'm going to show you guys that real quick. Alright, so this is my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I'm going to just show you guys an up close picture too. But I really love this brush because it's really comparable to a dimming brush. Now, the two difference between these two brushes is the Felicia Leatherwood brush has open bristles and makes it like 100 times easier to clean, whereas the dimming brush has like the vent, so you really have to like slide it out and kind of clean it that way, especially if you like to use a dimming brush or any type of brush to slick down your hair with lots of product. Anything that has a vent, it tends to kind of absorb any of the product from your hair as well. It just gets really gunky super fast, so I really do prefer detangling brushes that have open vents or open teeth for you to just simply glide your finger through, or again take a Rattail comb and kind of take the hook or the handle of that and kind of just, you know, slide the hairs out of it, because I just like, you know, really easy practical ways to clean hair brushes, whereas, you know, the vented brushes just, it's a hassle. But what I will say with the dimming brush, it's perfect for defining your curls too. You know, that was a huge thing on the natural hair scene with you know, just having that brush and shingling and clumping your curls together with it. I will say it's perfect for slicking your hair back as well. But also the Felicia Leatherwood brush, which is black owned, by the way, so definitely check that out. All the products I'm telling you, or tools I'm telling you guys, will be listed in the description box down below. But also with the dimming brush, you do have the option to modify the teeth, so that is another plus for that brush, whereas the vented brushes, or not vented brushes, but the open teeth or open brushes don't have that. So, you know, I can see where if someone has like super dense hair, you want to modify the teeth. So, you know, give or take, one of these two brushes definitely needs to be in your stash. Okay, next is a shower comb. Now, a shower comb is usually a wide tooth comb. It's kind of like, I'm gonna just insert a picture because there's just not an easy way for me to explain, but it's essentially a wide tooth comb. Now, for anyone that's kind of starting out with their natural hair journey, I definitely recommend this, and I just recommend detangling your hair in the shower in general. I always do that. It makes my hairstyling process 10 times easier and more manageable. You can also use a Felicia Leatherwood or detangling brush like that as well in the shower. Just having a designated hair tool for the shower is needed, in my opinion, because I don't really like to use my same styling comb as my detangling comb that I use in the shower. I don't know, because I like, personally for me, I leave it in the shower. So you need a shower comb. Next is essential, you need a hard bristle brush. Okay, you can get a soft one too. I also have a soft one myself, but you need a hard bristle brush. And I say that because when you do slick your hair back with that dimming brush or, you know, detangling brush, you also need to smooth the hair down. That's essential. If you guys have ever seen my wet look videos, my slick back bun videos, or slick back ponytail videos, after I detangle it and slick it back, I go in with the last step by taking that hard bristle brush and really just smoothing my hair down. You know, I just feel like it gets the waves popping. So You need a hard bristle brush. Next, you need an edge brush, okay? I love these edge brushes. So comment down below if you guys feel like your edge brush works a lot better when it's kind of like, don't judge me, y'all, don't judge me, but when it's like a little dense, you know, like it has like either that gel or the edge control that's in it so much that it just becomes like kind of hard. I personally like when my edge brushes are like that. Now I don't let it get to the point where it's like so dirty that like I need to throw it away. Because here's the thing with these edge brushes, I love that they are two-sided. I have tons of those. They're at the beauty supply store. They're like less than $3, so you really can rack up on them. There's been times where I've broken them and if I break them, I just simply go buy another one. There's just so many different varieties of edge brushes that you can get. Like you can just get the small one that's like the wooden one that just has like little brush bristles on it, but for me, I prefer the one that's double-sided that has like the comb and the brush on the other side. But yeah, comment down below if you guys feel the same way that I do about it kind of being a little hard. Next is a pick. So for my girls that love to do braid outs or twist outs, or just your wash and go in general, getting that volume, you know a pick is essential. Everyone needs a pick in their stash, okay? They come in a variety of sizes at the beauty supply store. There are the large ones, the little baby ones that you can put in your purse or backpack on the go, but you need those. I've even seen picks that have like kind of, instead of just it being straight like this, it'll have like 2 rows, and I guess that's like for like volume picking. But anyway, you need a pick. Now if you can't get a pick, you can use a wide tooth comb and use the same motion. Works the same way, but I just prefer a pick. And then moving on to other tools, let's talk about a spa shower head. So if you guys can tell by this background, or you've been watching me for a while, I am actually back at home in Atlanta, but I go to school at Florida A&M University in Tallahassee, Florida. And in my apartment, I decided to buy a spa shower head. So the spa shower head, I feel like it makes wash day a lot easier, especially when you are shampooing, deep conditioning, just regular conditioning and detangling while you're in the shower. I, personally feel like doing all those motions in the shower makes your hair so much more manageable, and it's just easier to just kind of lift it off and do all that. Because sometimes I feel like my neck hurts if I don't have a spa shower head. I have to do too much. So get you one, okay? I got mine off of Amazon, and my one in Tallahassee, Florida is a gold, so it does match my room decor. That's the cool part about it. There's different variations of these spa shower heads, so get you one. Next is hair clips. This is also essential. You need hair clips in your stash, not only for styling, but while you're in the shower. So if you guys are like me, I like to detangle my hair in sections, usually 2, sometimes 4 sections. And then even when I'm styling my hair, I like to do it in sections, because if you have thick hair, most natural girls do, you need some hair clips, okay? So you can get the butterfly clips, you can get the crocodile clips, you just need hair clips, okay? So get that. Next is totally optional, but if you have low porosity hair like me, you're gonna love this tool. This is a humidifier. I love this. I don't have it with me right now because I live in Tallahassee, but I love this tool, especially if you have low porosity hair, because with low porosity hair, your cuticles are closed, and sometimes when you are deep conditioning your hair, it's kind of hard for the deep conditioner to kind of get in and penetrate the hair shaft. So hair steaming, you need it. You can get the hooded hair steamers. Those are also on Amazon. I've seen plenty of those. I think I've seen one at the beauty supply store before. I know a lot of salons have where you get the humidify or humidity treatment. That's essentially what that is, the hooded version. But I just love this handheld version because it's super easy to use and easy to clean, and it's super convenient. So look into that. Next is a microfiber towel. You need this. Now if you don't really care to have a microfiber towel, because to me it's low-key an aesthetic thing, I will say that it does work though, okay? So with that being said, if you're someone who really struggles with your hair drying on time, it's usually because you have excess water in your hair. So kind of take that microfiber towel and blot your hair, get all that extra water out. Not only that, but taking a cotton t-shirt, you can also use that too, just to kind of soak up a lot of extra product. And I personally like to do that all the time, especially when I'm doing a braid out or twist out, because it's always an issue for me that it takes too long to dry. So a microfiber towel is just really easy too, because usually when you buy those little turban microfiber towels, they have a little rubber band that's at the end attached to it, and all you do is simply put your hair in it, twist it up, put it up and you're good to go. You can do your hair face mask afterwards, you know, skincare routine while your hair is getting soaked up. Next is Perm Rods. I love Perm Rods. Now, I will say if you are transitioning, you're going to absolutely love this, because if you can't get that, you know, uniform curl at the end of your hair, just get some Perm Rods, especially when you're doing braid outs or twist outs. I always recommend putting those at the end to make sure that it's uniform from root to tip. And you know, just continues to have that seamless curl pattern. I love those. And then next you need Flexi Rods. It also, if you're transitioning, you're gonna love Flexi Rods. I love Flexi Rod sets. I did those a lot in the beginning of my natural hair journey, so you know, I would recommend getting between 10 or 16 Flexi Rods, and for Perm Rods I would recommend getting about 10 to 16 as well, just to make sure that you have in your stash. Next is plastic caps. Now I love plastic caps because you really can use them as a shower cap. I mean, that's essentially what they are. But I like to use them for deep conditioning purposes. So whenever I put my deep conditioner in, I like to put like 2 or 3 plastic caps on top, and then I'll put a bonnet on top, and then I'll go sit under the hooded dryer just to make sure it's really penetrating under my hair. So get you a pack of plastic caps. Next is a spray bottle. All curly girls need a spray bottle accessible to their hand, okay? Because when your hair dries out while you're doing your hair, you need that spray bottle. When you want to refresh your hair, you need that spray bottle. So get a spray bottle. Next is bobby pins. Now the funny thing about bobby pins is I feel like the more hair you have, it seems like your hair eats them, you know? Like, comment down below if you feel like you always lose bobby pins. That's just something that I always have to have, and it's gotten to the point where every time I do go to the beauty supply store, I always get a pack of bobby pins because I just can never find mine. Like, as soon as I put them in my hair, they just disappear. I don't know what it is, but you definitely need bobby pins. An assortment of headbands is next, you guys. Always have some headbands on deck, because when you do a slick back ponytail or a headband or a slick back bun, or if you guys have those headband wigs, you need some assortment of headbands to style up your looks. Next is an assortment of scarves and bonnets, okay? So, you know, we like to maintain our hairstyles, ladies, so make sure you get a satin pillowcase too. That's the next on this list. Make sure you get a satin pillowcase, because if you're lazy like me sometimes, about 2 or 3 days, not 2, but like 3 or 4 days into your hairstyle, I sometimes forget to tie my hair down at night, so satin pillowcase is essential. It will save you. But those assortment of scarves, I love the scarves that are like do-rag shaped, essentially. Like, you know, I'm just gonna show you guys. I feel like everyone needs a scarf like this, the do-rag kind, basically. So yeah, I'm pretty much right, you know, the little tie down kind like that. And then you have just your regular square scarves that are perfect for your wash and goes, your braid outs, your twist outs, especially when you're pineappling them. You even have like the little cape scarves now, where you just can put that over and it just holds all your hair together, especially if you have braids, okay? So you need that. And of course you need a bonnet, or those extra large bonnets, so make sure you have that. All right, and the last item that you need is a hooded dryer. Let me tell y'all, I know that 9 times out of 10 your issues with your natural hair is probably because your hair is not drying all the way. You're taking your braids out, you're taking your twist out, and your hair is not all the way dry. So this right here is the best investment that you can make for your natural hair. Get you a hooded dryer. You can find these at the beauty supply store, and you can find these on Amazon. I bought mine at the beauty supply store, and I believe I only paid like $99 for it, but I'm telling y'all, it comes in handy. This can the hood part can come off, and the pole can kind of like collapse down, so it's, you know, portable. But trust me, you need this bad boy right here. If there's anything you did not get out of this video, I hope that you got this, and that's why I saved it for last. Make sure you get a hooded dryer. I promise you it's going to save you so many headaches and tears. So your braid outs can come out flawless, your twist outs can come out flawless, your wash and goes can dry in 30 minutes. Get you a hooded dryer. Alright, so that was all 20 of the must-have natural hair tools and accessories. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. And make sure you guys comment any other natural hair tools or accessories that you may use, because this is an open discussion. So let's just all chat and see what else we can all get in our hair stashes. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela, and I'll talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye!